Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather of My Creative Corner, and today I am going to be working on day 25 modern of Junk Journal January 2025 prompts. I kind of had a little ponder about this one. I wasn't really quite sure what to do, but I think I've come up with something. I've cut pictures out of a magazine that I'm going to use, and cut some strips while I was at it, because I want to kind of make this look like a cityscape, I guess, is what I was going with. So I'm just going to start gluing these in and work away at what I've got for today. I really didn't know what to do per se, and modern to me is like, I guess, the city and growth and whatnot, and I just kind of wanted to go with that. That was my idea anyway. I just cut magazine pieces into strips, and I'm just gonna lay these on here. And I have a little bit of doodling I'm going to do after I get everything all on. They're not cut perfectly. I just used my scissors and cut along. I didn't want them to be all perfectly cut straight. Just kind of a jagged cityscape, outline of a cityscape, the tall buildings and whatnot. So and I don't want them all to be just perfectly in line with each other either at the top. I just used some brown packaging paper as my background on my pages. I collaged that on to start with. And there is my buildings. I'm just going to cut these pieces off. Make sure everything's stuck down there too, I guess. Not quite. There we go. So I chose this picture because it looks like they're working in an office or something and on their laptops. So, and I found these pictures that are of phones, and we're always on our phones. So that is modern. We're always on our phones, so I thought I would include that. And of course, with work and whatnot, we need our phones. And these ladies are on their laptops doing their work, and they're in the city. So I'm going to put those on first. Going to place them in between there. There's that. And then I was just going to take marker, I'm not sure. Maybe I will just leave it like this, because I don't want it to be too... The marker's going to be too much, maybe. I don't know yet. I was going to use a black marker, so that's why. Anyway, we are allowed to change our minds in art. It doesn't always have to be what we were first thinking. There. Maybe I will put some down here too. Just kind of going. Oops. They go off the page. There. So that is day 25, modern. And what I came up with, a little cityscape, our phones, our laptops, and working away on them, which we do to make our videos. So that's modern life. And that's what I came up with. That's day 25 of the Junk Journal January 2025 challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you want to give it a thumbs up, that would be great. I'd really appreciate it if you do enjoy my videos and would like to subscribe. That would be awesome. And I really hope you enjoy your day and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.